Hey guys, what's happening? How to cancel Tradingview subscription. So if you subscribe using your iPhone, what you gotta do, go back to your screen and then go ahead to the settings, or using your Apple Pay, excuse me, and then click your name. And then what you gotta do next, go ahead to the subscriptions. Alright. And then go and click on your subscription, which is Tradingview. For example, this is Tradingview. And you're gonna see the same settings. Just go ahead and hit the highlighted in red cancel subscription, and then confirm that you want to cancel that subscription, right? But if you are if you used another payment method to subscribe to Tradingview's feature, go ahead to click the menu, and you're gonna see right here subscriptions, right? And then go ahead to select your subscription that you want to delete and follow along to basically cancel it from here, from the subscriptions. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.